1, 2, or the 3. You bitches look up to me. You said you look up to her, but really you look up to me. I can't be playing with niggas, I'm married to G. I got some niggas that do what I say. If I tell them to shoot, they pull up on the break. No bitches be rapping, I'm laughing, it sound like you trying to me. I'm who you dying to be. When somebody cop all these groupies a ticket, cause I'm who they dying to me. I'm in the city, I drop a location and all of the...
Welcome, guys. We saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Samantha Grace. Get to know. If you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video for you guys today. So your girl is up. It is not currently day number 2. You guys are literally going to see footage of day number 2, 3, and 4, I believe. So this is the part where I get ready for rehearsals. Your girl got an opportunity to open up for Odeal in Uganda, and it was amazing. I didn't get to do an intro, so I'm just doing an intro right now. But before I get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, join the family, join the gang. You know what I'm trying to say? I'm really trying to keep up to date with you guys. Make sure you guys are literally keeping track of like everything that I'm doing. But it's so hard. But if you haven't got me on anything else, make sure you follow me on TikTok, @FishermanForGrace, Instagram @FishermanForGrace, and most of the updates will be there as well. But anyways, I don't want to talk too much. I don't want to ruin it. I'm probably going to be doing I'm probably going to do a voiceover, and I probably will be, or I might not, because sometimes I am talking in the videos. But I'm going to be showing you guys me going to dance rehearsal, me performing, Odeal performing. What else did I film? The whole prep, so basically getting ready for the whole show. So that's what's going to be happening for the past 2 days old. That's what was happening. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go watch it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out when my next video is out. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. So my cousin, shout out to Anna, she made me some food, and I also gas listen me Ugandan food. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm making my way back home to get ready for the radio station. It was literally last minute, so I literally had to just head back. It's literally me trying to get content for you guys. I'm literally rushing to leave the house. I'm gonna leave the place by now. So I need to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna do some quick under eye concealer and call it a day. So I've only done some of my face. I leave my house. After I was done, I then started to make my way to the radio station. So the first one I went to was Kiss FM. As you guys can see, I was sweating on my edges. Guys, when I saw the sign, I was like, oh my god, this can't be real. But yeah, no, it was Kiss FM, and then there was Capital FM. So your girl has arrived. This is my outfit. I think I stepped okay. Oh, okay. And you're right?
Yeah, I think so.
Why am I weak?
Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Uganda. Is it your first time?
First time here.
Oh, that's amazing. Good house. Yeah. But I think for angling,
Actually, this is good.
yeah?
This is good, yeah.
Because I was thinking because of the branding, this side.
Oh yeah.
The branding is there, and the lighting is reflecting perfectly.
Alright.
Should I show you the shot?
Alright. So, this particular because we're going to use tomorrow on the day itself.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so we're not going to use it right now, but we're going to record something that we shall use. So we're going to imagine it's Friday and it's ready for tonight. Yeah. Alright. Checking the microphone. Say something.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. So you cannot hear yourself. But Hey, Joshua Caleb on Kissing About 9 Kampala. And as I promised, I have a surprise for you. And in the studio tonight, I have a beautiful lady. She has a beautiful smile. And my guys, if I've never crashed, this is a time for me. What's up? How are you doing, Samantha?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Welcome to Uganda.
Thank you so much.
You said this is not your first time.
No, it's not my first time.
Yeah. When was your first time?
I think it was 2016.
2016.
Yeah.
You're basically Ugandan now.
Yeah, no, I am. The Luganda's not Lugandaing, but I understand everything, so.
Yeah. So, Odeal.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Hey, this is amazing. I can do laundry. Otherwise, if someone is listening, they want to know who Samantha is.
Yeah.
How would you describe yourself?
I'd say it's actually very outgoing, funny, bubbly, bold. Yeah.
And beautiful. She doesn't say that, but she is very good. So Samantha, tonight you have a show.
Yes.
You're here with Odeal.
Yes, indeed.
What should one expect?
They shouldn't listen, I feel like they shouldn't even expect anything. Just come knowing it's going to be lit.
Yeah.
Like, the people that know me, I'm all about vibes. You know what I mean? Like, and I'm a Ugandan first of all. You know what I mean? We know how to represent.
We know how to budget all
You know how
across
to
the
party.
world. When you
Party
come
after
here,
party, you hear it almost everywhere,
Definitely.
international. So, but yeah, no, don't expect anything. Just know it's going to be live, it's going to be vibes, there's going to be entertainment, there's going to be so many people performing. Like, I'm very much excited for tonight. It's going to be amazing.
So are you going to be dancing and singing?
You know what? I'm thinking to give you guys a mix, like a bit of both. A bit of dancing, a bit of singing.
Alright.
Yeah.
By the way, you hear her accent. By the time we finish this interview, I'll be saying, well, my name is Joshua Caleb Bennett. But I'm really glad that you're here.
Thank you so much.
And I would love for you to give us a sample, like an acapella or something of the sort. But you guys come for the show.
Yeah.
If you really want to hear Samantha and Odeal and all the vibes, come for the show tonight at Governor. Hey, we're gonna be there dancing, all the vibes.
Literally.
Otherwise, thank you very much, Samantha.
Thank you so much for having me. Make sure you guys are here tonight. It's going to be lit. It's going to be vibes upon vibes. If you miss out, you don't want to be seeing it from people's phones online. Make sure you're there in person.
Yeah. So before you go, Samantha.
Yeah.
So I know you're back home.
Yeah.
For the holiday.
Yeah.
Perhaps your friends ask you, where are things that we sent you?
Yeah.
So my friend is back from the
Yes.
from the UK.
Just know that usually when mom comes, this is my first solo trip to Uganda.
Alright.
Obviously, I have a lot of family here. The way my mom made me pack things for people here, and the way my cousins were like, make sure you bring me this, make sure you bring me this. That suitcase was heavy.
What about on the way back? Are you carrying anything from here?
No, I'm definitely trying to take stuff back.
Yeah, for example.
You know, like in from Uganda, spices, what do they call their gifts? Like, you know, the gifts that you use to like take away on holidays, souvenirs, people that they want me to take. I'm trying to take a lot, even. Listen,
if possible,
anything. If I can take anything, I would.
I have leftover cinnamon from last night.
Really?
Yeah. So I could give you some to take back.
Yeah, I'll take some back.
That's amazing. Otherwise, catch you later tonight. Let me finish up with the show. I'm
Alright,
coming.
no worries.
I am coming. If you
That's
hear
what we like
someone
to
making
hear.
noise in the back, oh, Samantha, I know you!
Yeah.
That would be me. Have an amazing time. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me.
Alright, otherwise, let's get back into the hot hits. That was Samantha and get ready for tonight. Odeal, Samantha, and lots of vibes. Alright, so we'll fit that in tomorrow and then we will have it.
Okay, yeah, no worries.
That's amazing.
Thank you so much, guys.
And then will Odeal be coming to this event
Yeah.
later?
What time is it?
Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. Yeah.
It's
Instagram.
It's 5 minutes. It's time for. Let me. It's time for
So-
MTV. Yeah.
so maybe what we'll do in case it's
Hey guys.
That's beautiful Samantha.
So after we finished with Kiss FM, we then started to make our way down to NTV, which was the other radio station, where I then ended up meeting Odeal and his team and the whole crew for the radio station that were interviewing him.
I want you guys to pull out your cameras. Alright. OD! You ready?
Yeah.
You guys are ready?
Yeah.
OD. In exactly 10 seconds, I want you to name 10 OD songs. 1,
Coffee,
2,
Be
3,
Easy,
4,
Benzema,
5,
Drain Me,
6, 7, 8.
I'm not.
So you guys know where we're at tomorrow, right?
Hey, listen, Governor.
Governor tomorrow.
Getting lit.
Get your tickets.
Easy.
Vibes upon vibes. You know the lighting is down bad. We're doing the cut, guys.
Yo, it's here.
Tomorrow.
Hey, it's lit, it's lit, it's lit.
We're lit tomorrow.
It's crazy.
You guys don't know.
You telling them?
I'm excited.
Yeah, I'm lit.
It is morning. It is the day of the show. I think I'm gonna leave until I come back. It is the day of the show. I'm ready. Yeah, guys. I'm not gonna talk much. I'll just be showing you guys what's going on today. Today's rehearsal for the show. I am opening up for Odeal, and I'm so excited. After the video the other way, so I don't let you go.
I remember when you know.
Yeah, that's what I end up doing. Which way you guys do? Because I saw you guys doing one side, I can down. It was this side. Is it?
I think we
Yeah, this way.
I think we look when they said
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, man.
So we add something.
Yeah, should we add something next?
Let's listen. Let's listen.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. What comes next?
Baby, cause you're vibing, you know we a vibe. I just wanna be with you some one night. I just wanna look right into your eyes. You got me feeling hypnotized. Baby, cause you're vibing, you know we a vibe. I just wanna be with you some one night.
Sorry, I was picking this one.
You are doing it. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. So right, guys, rehearsal. I'm so excited to just get to play and perform with the boys. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. So I've left up the boys. I'm now making my way to my sister's hair salon. I need to put these up because yeah, I need to put my wig on. I need to feel like a baddie. So then afterwards, I was heading down to my sister's salon, Buddies, hair and beauty in Uganda. Went to go get my hair done because I said your girl is not performing in Kenya, child. And yeah, got my hair done. I couldn't even brush out the curls. I was literally running from the hair salon to go for sound check, so you guys will see me basically at sound check. Hey guys, I'm about to perform. This is before the show starts. But yeah. Hey guys! Guys, that was crazy. So before the performance,
Samantha, come on, how do you? Let's see. One time for Gil tonight to Kampala. You know the vibes. Got the vibes. Hey, I love you. Make some noise for the lovely Kampala. And of course,
I'm no shame, baby, I may be too much, your energy, find us a way. I'm gonna miss you so good. It's the water, please take it easy on me. Pressure, I'm running back, I need you too. So let my study go beyond. So I can be just sitting up for me to know. I'm trying to get you for me. Let the shit you should have done, nobody goes. I go inside, but I'm trying to know what's on your mind. So get this, trying to know what's on your mind. Oh, yeah. Information you get where I know, dog. I'ma pull up to your door. So yeah, nah, on tour. How am I the one you're supposed to run to? When everything in my everybody say yeah, say yeah. When you're with her.